turn, punch, hang, single B. It's just a matter of kick. Together. Have a second here. Single B. Sweep. Cat punch or cosmic chase moon. Single beat, low stun. Adjust the footwork, no? Low stun, then turn up. Forward. The 7-star is not be close to your base. Jane, open up. Kick. Kick. Forward here. Force. Oh, real one behind. Turn around. Elbow. Forward. Shoulder. Go back a bit. Adjust. Let him pass. Punch. Hand on his face. Is a soft. On his temple. Turn. Push away. Punch. Hang. Tempo. Turn. Now that's all like this. Straight. Left hand. Left leg. Turn. It's a sub from the back leg. Rotate the waist. Aim with the hand. Behind. Turn. The rotate from the waist. The foot moving from the waist. Go hands. Cross. Here, in, turn, leg, cross, turn around, and then one movement follow through. Here, left leg follow through. Get ready. Then up. Then again. One more time. Turn around. Out. Now we can go to the side. Turn. This. Cross leg, turn around, forward, out. Again, on your own. It's in there. It's in the side. Move your right. Shift. Now. Rotate. Hands rotate. Anyway, you do well. Follow the hand. See, I don't move my hand. Follow the hand, follow. Not like this. And if I move my hand, you can see very clearly. I said you move my hand, you may not see so clearly. You move my hand, shake it like this. Then only move the hand. So me. Yeah. Remove my hand. Yeah. It's not hospitality. It's ready to go to the whatever start. It's 40, 60. The hand here. Rotate the waist. Rotate the waist. The other side. Just ready to go into the hospitality start. Put your hand here. This is also very important. This is what Taijiquan. Start from the back leg. Rotate the waist. Any of the hand will after it. Not like this. Relax, but you're alert. Here. The footwork adjustment will be depending on the situation. Yeah, move a bit. Continue. Now when the form is correct, I do it smoothly, flowing without any stop. So you're not worried of the force yet. There's no break. Then go behind. Any questions? So just how we get a routine.